Hello guys, so today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can fund your Binance account. So it's quite easy when you want to fund your Binance account. So all you need is just have your Binance created in the country where you have your ATM card from. So and also the name on the card should be the same name on the Binance platform. So the first thing you have to do is you like to go to Binance and then you click on wallets. You can go to overview, and when you're on overview, just click here. Just click on this to display all the assets you have. So with this, you can see it's being differentiated. You can see fiat up here, fiat balance, and then you see crypto balance down. So what I would do is, if you're from Nigeria or any other country, your currency should be listed here. So because I'll be trying to deposit with the Nigerian currency, so let's click on deposit. And when I click on deposit, what I'm going to do is I'll just click. It's already on the currency, so I'll just choose bank transfer. Right. When I pick bank transfer, I'm gonna enter the amount here. If it is 5,000, I want to deposit. Okay, they'll be taking a fee of 150 from me. So let's try 1,000 naira because this is a tutorial video. So okay, so I'll click on continue. Right. So they are loading the payment system up. So this is how you make deposits with Binance. I'll just click you have made payment. And then I'll wait for this to approve and be credited into my account. All I need to do is just to send money, this amount of money, into this account number. Bank name is Rabish Bank, Binance Holding Limited. So once I send money to this account number here, it will be confirmed. In no time, it will be confirmed and added into my fiat balance. So basically, that's how to deposit money on this Binance trading platform. So there are other ways. You see, it says the deposit order has been submitted. Well, I'm not sending any money, so it's going to time out. Also, you can click on overview and decide to use the peer-to-peer method of buying crypto on the platform. So if you want to use peer-to-peer, you click here. Then you see where it says P2P. You can just click on P2P. Let's show everything. So on P2P, you can pick whichever currency you want to buy out of these ones listed here. Okay, for example, let me buy the stable dollar. So I'll just click on buy. When I click on buy, it's going to bring a list of people who are selling this particular coin at their various rates. So these are the lists. So this is the list of people selling this particular coin at their own various rates. So I might just look for somebody whose rate is a bit lower, and then I will purchase with that person. So what I would just do here is I'll just look for the payment method. Here I can choose the payment method, or you can just keep it on all payments method. So whichever payment method any of them is using will be listed here. So let's say for example the first one has a lower rate. It has 484.02 per naira for one USDT. So I'll just click on this guy, first guy there. Then just enter how much I want to buy. If I want to buy 20 USDT, if I want to buy, I'll enter the amount in naira. Okay, if I'm buying 10,000 naira worth of Bitcoin, I'll just click of USDT. I'll just add 10,000 here, and this is the equivalent in USDT, right? So I'll just click here. It's on bank already, and I'll click on buy. So once I click on buy here, okay, once I click on buy here, it says order placed successfully. That means his coins from his wallet has been locked to this trade. So until I pay money into this, then I'll click here. I'll say, okay, money has been transferred to that particular account, and then I'll wait. Once he confirms that, okay, fine, I've made the transfer to his account, then he can release these bitcoins to me. Understand? So it's very, very easy to make to buy bitcoin. It's not something that is difficult. This is very, very automated, provided you send money to the account. And then if you, okay, for example, you send money to him and he's not picking up, you can just dial this number and tell him that, hey man, I send money to you, and can you please come online and complete trade for me? So he just rush online and complete trade. And also you can send him a text message here, hello. You can just ask him, are you online for the trade? Understand? You can say, hello, are you online for the trade? And then right here, if he's online, he can message you and say yes, he's available, and you should just go ahead and make the payment. So most times I like to message them and ask them if they are online, so that it doesn't have to waste a lot of time. Once I send money, they are there to confirm it, and then it will drop into my balance. So basically, that is how to buy Bitcoin with peer-to-peer, and also directly to Binance. Peer-to-peer here is just various Binance traders like me and you, who are just creating this order, say, to sell their bitcoins or to buy. So basically, that is how to buy and buy with peer-to-peer, and also with Binance. So if you enjoyed watching this video, you can just hit the subscribe button. You can also drop a comment below and tell me where you got confused or where you need more understanding, and I'll help you out. So thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.